Good evening, sir.
Can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All of you on the camera now, children. That's the best in maths. Satvik, you're having doubt. What you're saying, Satvik?
Sir, not in this chapter, sir. In chapter 1, my school people gave a worksheet, sir. In that I got it out.
Read the question.
1 minute, sir. Sir, they said a is equals to 9 to the power of n plus 1 into bracket open 3 to the power of minus n by 2 bracket close, and then to the whole to the power of minus 2 minus
That
2.
what you have sent on me on WhatsApp, that one.
Yes, sir, that one only.
You mentioned I got it like that. Down you mentioned I got it.
Sir, I want to know the answer again, sir.
Again, then why you mentioned I got it?
Sir, no, sir, my mother said me, but I want to know it again, even more clear.
Okay, fine. I'll just tell you that same answer in the end of this class, okay?
Okay, sir.
So what we have did, children, on that day we started cube and cuboid, right? Tell me, what is area of rectangle? Satvik.
Sir, length into breadth.
And what is the volume of cuboid?
Length into breadth into height.
And what is the volume of cube?
Side cube.
So understood this, children? No. What is the lateral surface area of cube?
4a square, sir.
Total surface area?
6a square.
And LSA of cuboid?
2HL plus B.
You are saying down and saying.
No, sir, I'm thinking.
When I tell, but say you just saying down and saying like that, huh?
No, sir, I'm thinking, sir.
What man? What do you think? By down you will think. By saying down you are thinking, huh? Press your mind, man. Just press your mind. If you see, anybody can tell. Okay, fine. Last time I was saying that how to find LSA and TSA of cube and cuboid. Hope you understood, everyone, right? Then next I'll just tell you about cuboid. Anyone having doubt? No. The next part is cylinder. Cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, plane surface area. What is this? Total surface area. So if you see cylinder over here, cylinder, hey. How many of you know the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder. Do you know any one of you? No one knows the volume of the cylinder.
Sir,
Yeah.
is it pi r square h?
Yeah, pi r square h. So area of circle, you know, no children. Area of circle, you know. Area of circle is what? What is area of circle? Pi r square, right?
Yes, sir. Pi r square.
And if you multiply by height, you'll get the area volume of cylinder. I told you everything is almost area into what? Height.
There's two circles in a cylinder, so 2 pi r is for the circles and 2 height is the height of the cylinder, right?
No, I'm just talking about area volume. No,
Yeah, sir.
if I'm
I
talking
was
about
saying
volume, then don't consider about this one, two circles area and all.
Okay.
Only one circle area, because this circle is repeating number of times, right?
Okay, so we only have to take the one, and then
Yeah.
the
So
other one is just repetition.
yeah. So area of circle multiply by height, that is pi r square into h.
Okay, sir.
Now curve surface area. Curve surface area is only, if you see, only this part is your curve surface area. This what cylinder will come, no, that what circular part, which is like, you know, which is flat. It's not flat, right? It's round circle. Only cylinder, if you see, what is the area of that surface? That is 2 pi r h. How 2 pi r h is coming here? Curve surface has 2 pi r into h. How it looks? See, suppose if you if you open this sheet, how it looks like, you can imagine here.
A rectangle.
Yeah, it's coming like this or not? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
And this part is nothing but this, from here to here is what? Radius only, sorry, what will come? 2 pi r will come, correct? 2 pi r will be this length. Why this length will be 2 pi r? Who will tell me? Shreyanvi? Why this is coming 2 pi r? Do you know? Say. Shreyanvi, do you know why this is coming 2 pi r? Huh?
Is it because of the height being straight? I'm just guessing, sir.
I didn't got you. Tell once again, Shreyanvi.
I don't know, sir.
Sir, is
Anyone?
it because
Sir,
of
is
the
it like-
circle?
Because of the circle. Why circle is
Sir,
2 pi r?
Sir, is it like when we are multiplying the first side and the second side of the rectangle, sir, it will
Okay.
become 2 pi r square. So the first side length will be 2 pi r.
My question is only why this only length is 2 pi r. That's it. Why you are multiplying that?
But
I'm not
that's
asking.
because that's the circumference of the circle. Like,
Yeah,
when we close
this
it,
is,
we will get a circle on the top. That's why we take it as 2 pi r.
yeah. See this, we are talking about this circle, no? See, this circle part is your circumference, right? So this part is coming into this flat mode. Understood? So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So this length of the rectangle is 2 pi r. Understood, children? And height will nothing but your, this is the height of the cylinder. So to find the area of this, you'll get 2 pi RH. Is it clear? 2 pi RH is the what? Curved surface area of the cylinder. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
So how to remember this? Don't need to remember and all. Simply just think about this and get the answer. If you're going to open that cylinder part, it'll come into rectangular sheet. The rectangular, this length part is 2 pi r because it's a perimeter of the circle, or you can say circumference of the circle. And height, you know, height is the cylinder height. So you're getting 2 pi r h. It's clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Now you just see this part. Don't consider this one. This is not required. Plane surface area means they're talking about this one. This plane surface area is there, no? In the simply they are adding the area of the circle.
Sir, which part they're talking about?
Which one? Plane surface area.
Yeah, which one? Which part?
Plane surface area means if you see this top part is plane will be there, no? Top flat will be there. This one, right? Top part of it.
Yes, the circles.
Yeah, circles, two circles.
Yes, sir.
So if you add this plane part and this one, no, curved surface area, you will get total surface area. So total surface area is nothing but CSA plus what? Area of two circles. Area of two circles. Understood? So CSA is 2 pi RH and area of two circle is what? 2 pi r square. So from here you can take 2 pi r common and you'll get h plus r. So this is your total surface area, children. Is it clear how we are getting? What is the difference between both CSA
Yeah,
and TSA? So all the three formula you can remember, right? It's easy, very easy, right, children? Anyone having doubt? No need to remember. If anybody asks you CSA, TSA, just think and you should say. No need to remember 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH. Some people will do like this only. They mug up. This they'll just by heart they will do. 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R, 2 pi R plus 2 pi RH. So no need to do all these things. Simply keep in mind how it looks like. So cylinder part is clear to everyone, children. So pi R square H. And if we're talking about unit, always volume will be what? Cubic units, cubic meter square, cubic meter, sorry, cubic meter cube, centimeter cube, decimeter cube, kilometer cube. It's coming in cube. And when we are talking about area will be always in square. Centimeter square, meter square. Understood, children?
Sir, why, sir? Meter cube.
Because we're talking about three-dimensional thing, no? Length, breadth, and height.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Volume part you're taking means area only become what? A meter square, and height is also 1 meter. So cubic meters, okay?
Yes, sir.
And area part we are talking about, we are just talking about 2 dimensions. So that is meter square. If you're talking about length, that is for single dimension. So that is only meter. Understood?
Yes.
So this part is clear to you people. I hope this part is clear to everyone, right? Now, if you're talking about hollow cylinder, what is the volume of hollow cylinder? If you draw here hollow cylinder over here, so how the hollow cylinder will looks like? Anybody can tell me how the hollow cylinder will be there? This is one.
Sir, there is nothing inside, sir. Only upper circle and down circle and the rectangle.
Okay. So what is the volume of this? And that's I'm asking you. So what is the volume of the cylinder? Correct. What is the volume of the cylinder? Or if you draw in better way, why it's not working all the time? But I'll just come once again. What is the volume of hollow cylinder? Who will answer me this question? What is the volume of hollow cylinder? Who will tell me? Anyone who is willing to say?
Sir, we take the outer radius and inner radius and with height.
Outer radius and inner radius with height. How we are doing actually? How to do? That is the main thing, no? How to remember? Which thing you are taking? What you are doing? Tell me. See, hollow cylinder is nothing but what? Inside nothing is there, okay? Inside nothing is there. If you see this, inside nothing will be there. There is no line, nothing is like this. Okay, children. So what you can do is volume of bigger cylinder, outer two, there are two radius, children, right here. You'll get two radius. One is R1 and one is R2.
Sir, where will we get two radius, sir? On the top and the bottom, that one.
No. So from this radius is nothing but this radius. No, one is this smaller one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And one will get this.
It's like a flat.
Okay, sir.
It's like this one ring. If you know ring, no, this ring will be like this. So inner radius is this one and outer radius is this much. Understood? This is case of hollow cylinder. I mean, this will have some thickness over here. I'll just write over here.
Sir, could you tell me about this inner radius and outer radius once more?
Yeah, 1 minute. See, some thickness will be there. No, from top of cylinder, if you see, everyone just try to understand here. If you see the top part of this thing, this is hollow cylinder. Nothing is there inside here. Okay, this green part, there is nothing over here. This is hollow from top. Okay. So a small radius is nothing but this radius. A small radius is this much, and bigger radius is, I'm just drawing black one. This is the bigger radius. So this will have two radius. One is the one from center to the outer circle, and one from center to the inner circle. That is small radius, and bigger radius is what? Which one, children? Center to the bigger circle. It's clear, children? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
So in this case, this R1 is the bigger radius. You can write here bigger radius. Bigger radius. And R2 is what? A smaller radius. Smaller radius. Is it clear, children? So if you just subtract the volume part, means bigger volume of external volume. We'll write here external volume minus internal volume is nothing but what? Volume of hollow cylinder. So volume of hollow cylinder is nothing but what, children? External volume minus internal volume, because internal volume nothing is there, that we have taken it and just thrown it out. You can understand what I'm saying? Like suppose glass, you are drinking water.
But
No,
basically only exterior volume.
what basically?
It's only exterior volume.
No, if you exterior volume minus interior volume, if you take it out, then only you can get.
It's
No,
not told that interior volume is not there. No. So it's
so that is,
basically
yeah, exterior volume, then minus you should do, no, the interior volume.
The answer is exterior volume.
Exterior volume is nothing but only volume of cylinder only, no? Volume of cylinder of
Yes,
what? Volume of cylinder of greater radius. That is external volume, right?
Yes, sir.
So, but here we need to find what? Hollow cylinder. Means bigger volume you're finding means this is solid cylinder you're finding. It means everything is there filled inside. Understood, Nihar? If you're finding external volume of the cylinder, it means that you're finding the volume of solid cylinder. You know the difference between solid cylinder and hollow cylinder, Nihar?
yes, sir, that I know.
So external volume if you're finding means that volume is nothing but complete solid cylinder where you can full, it's compact. It's not vacant from any places. Understood? In case if you're finding volume of hollow cylinder, then what cylinder we should do? Whole solid cylinder minus what inside, that is hollow is there, no? That hollow volume we should take it out. That we are doing here. External volume minus internal volume. Still doubt is there, Nihar?
Sir, only the thickness you are taking between them.
Yeah, not thickness, volume of, if you
Like,
know,
yeah, that I understood, sir.
if you know the thickness, then only you can find the volume, no? Because the radius only differ here in this case, right?
Yes, sir.
Everything will remain the same, but radius only will differ, right?
Yes, sir.
For external volume, what we can write? Pi R1 square H, correct? Minus pi R2 square H, right, children? Now pi H is common, you can take. You can write here R1 square plus, sorry, R1 square minus R2 square. Is it clear, children? Is clear to everyone? That's it. So anyone having doubt, what is there in this? Or why we are subtracting? What is R1? What is R2? Anyone having doubt? Later one you can write like this also. Pi H R1 plus R2, and you can write R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 and R1 minus R2.
So could you explain the whole hollow cylinder one more time?
Hollow cylinder one more time, right?
Yes, sir.
normal cylinder, you know, that is
Yes,
full.
sir.
Suppose it's compact, like dumbbells is there, no, that gym dumbbells you have seen.
Yes, sir, I have seen.
There is no hollow inside. Suppose the dumbbells are in the shape of cylinder, okay?
Okay.
So I'm just taking like this dumbbells will be like this form. And this is completely solid, okay? This completely solid. Now hollow cylinder means the same dumbbell is coming over here.
But there's
And-
nothing inside.
No, nothing, no, this some thickness will be there. And this part you taken down, the small cylinder you can see.
Yes, sir.
This part is not there.
Okay.
It is nothing but we have written here external volume. External volume is this white surface, what you can see. This is external volume. And if you remove this internal volume, okay,
Oh,
you will get this only white part. Understood or not?
yes, sir.
So external volume is nothing but complete volume. External volume is coming in, including external volume is what? Complete.
Including the black part, sir.
Yeah, complete volume.
So what do you call the volume when we take out the black part?
That is hollow cylinder volume. Hollow
Okay.
hollow cylinder volume.
Okay, so both of these combined would make cylinder volume.
Hmm.
And if we remove the black part, it's hollow cylinder.
Yeah, hollow means nothing is there. Like pipe, you have seen a hollow pipe
Yes, sir.
where you are doing the wiring.
Yes, sir.
So total complete solid pipe, you take the volume and what is inside part that you remove out, that become hollow pipe, volume of
Okay.
hollow pipe. So pipe thing, cylinder thing, all are same only, children. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir, I understood now.
Still anyone having doubt? No
No,
one.
sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
So next one is cone part.
So
What
in
is
any case, sir, if you are minus subtracting or adding or multiplying or dividing with internal volume, sir, it is 0, sir.
what you are going to do? You are multiplying what?
No, sir, means in any case the internal volume is 0.
Internal volume is 0. How internal volume is 0? We are finding, you know, R1, R2 is there, no, pi also is there, R2 is also there, H is also there. How this becomes 0?
No, sir, then you told the internal cylinder is completely.
Means we are taking this white part you can see in this cylinder, right? This part you should take it out. Then only you will get the volume of hollow cylinder. I didn't know what you are asking exactly. Tell me once again.
So then what is internal volume and external volume, sir?
Okay, fine. Again, I'm telling you. External volume means total volume. Don't think external volume, complete cylinder volume you think, okay? This is nothing but, you can write solid cylinder. Volume of solid cylinder you can write, okay? Nothing else.
Yes, sir.
With external diameter, external diameter. Understood, Sai Charan now?
Yes, sir, the external part.
External volume, external part, yes. External part means inside everything is coming into picture. What is this full thing? Nothing is balanced. This whole thing is there, no? This whole thing will come. This yellow part and this gray part, everything will come into picture.
Yes, sir.
And the internal volume is only this yellow part. Understood? Internal volume is this yellow here, and this one is, see, this one is like this one. Yellow is also coming into picture, and this gray is also coming into picture. Now you can understand better. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we have to find only this gray part. So if you gray part and yellow part, if you remove only yellow part, you will get gray one. Understood, Sahil? Sorry, Sai Charan.
Yes, sir.
Anyone still having doubts still? Satvik? No, right. Now next is cone. Cone means topi. What we are wearing in this festival time, no? Topi, you know, that's the triangular topi. Like, you know, this topi will be like this. Like this topi you have seen, this type topi. So this type topi will be like this. Correct. So we call it as cone. We call it as cone. So in this case, this is your H. This is L. And this part is R, radius. So what is H and what is L and what is R? Anyone can tell me what is H, what is L, what is R? H is nothing but slant height or lateral height. What do we call it as?
Sir, if we're speaking of topi, R is where we would put our head inside.
Yeah, you're going to put from R side, right?
Sir,
Yes,
in
sir.
here in this case, height and length are same, sir.
This is not how length will be same. This is right angle triangle. No, here right angle. How both height and length will be. This is H and L difference is there. H
Yes.
H is your lateral height. Lateral height. And L is what? L is slant height. Don't confuse with name, children.
Sir, lateral height means straight height.
Yeah, lateral height means straight height. Yes. Or you can say vertical height. That also is okay. And R is radius. So people will confuse here between slant and lateral height. See L for lateral, but don't this here. Don't think in that way. H is your simple height, normal height. Okay. And L is the slant height. Okay, children. So in this case, sometimes you will get only H and R, you know. So you should apply your Pythagoras theorem. The L square is equal to what? H square plus R square. Understood? Because L is the longest side.
Hypotenuse.
And in case if you H square you have to find, you can write here L square minus R square. In case you're finding R square, you can find here L square minus H square. It's clear, no? This one is not need to
Sir, that
remember.
pi r square is also one formula.
Hmm?
That pi r square which you have written, that is also one formula.
This is plane surface area. Means this one circle part is there, no? That
So
area
that
there.
L square is equal to r square plus h square is also plane surface area.
No. That is their find. They're just this is a formula to find the
Pythagoras theorem, right?
yeah Pythagoras theorem. What I'm writing down, no, this is related to that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This part they have written here. This one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here we are having again. We just start from volume. So volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, children. You remember the volume of cylinder and divide by 3 you do. That's it. This is same thing. Volume of cylinder you can remember and divide by what? 3. Pi r square h divided by 3. Again CSA is pi RL. CSA, curve surface area. This is nothing but pi RL. And total surface area already you know. That is CSA plus area of what? CSA plus you should write here, no? CSA plus area of circle. So we know here pi RL plus pi R square, correct? So pi R you take common, L plus R. Is it clear, children? So volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Same formula exactly as per cylinder and divide by 3 you can do. And curved surface area is pi r L and total surface area is pi r square plus pi r L. Pi r taking common, we are getting L plus R.
Sir, is anything like how it comes, sir? The volume.
Volume, you should define this. See, I have remembered in that way only that this volume of the cone, no. In cylinder, we can make 3 part of it. 3 cones can be made by the help of cylinder if we are having the same height. Okay. So 3
Yes.
cones. So that's why we are just volume of cone. We are writing it as pi r square divided by 3. Okay. In that way
Yes.
only. Anyway. So pi r square h divided by 3 pi r L and total surface area is pi r L plus pi r square. So till now no one is having doubt, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we're just moving to the next topic, that is, I think, hemisphere or cone. Cone is still, we know, no, cone we know, right? Then this is not there for you. Frustum is not there in the syllabus. This is for class 10th. Okay, frustum of a cone is for class 10th,
Okay, sir.
because this is nothing same, only it's cone only. But if you uda do, sir, iska uda do.
So like top part removed is that.
Yeah, so this is become like a cone only, but this, like this one, what you're getting, like bucket you have seen no at home,
Yes, sir.
like this,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So this is a frustum. So we have to in class 10th we have to read the volume, CSA and TSA for this frustum. Nothing only, if you know cone, same thing only you can write 1/3 pi r square, means in instead of r square you should write r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2, and here
So
again
wouldn't the
h.
area of the frustum be the area of the whole cone minus the part you took out?
Area or volume?
The volume, I'm sorry. The volume wouldn't it be the, like, if you calculate the whole cone and then the part you cut off, wouldn't that be the
Yeah,
frustum?
this only will get, yes. Either two ways you can do. Either you can do, see there is big cone and small cone, right?
Yes, sir.
So big cone, volume of big cone minus volume of small cone, if you do that, then also you'll get the answer. And if you don't know that one, you can directly remember this formula also.
Okay.
Instead of r, you should write, because there are two r here. One is bigger radius and one is smaller radius. Correct. So here 1/3 pi. Instead of r square, you should write here r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h. So if people are thinking why we are just doing this, so leave this part, okay?
So will they give the middle radius?
Middle radius or both radius, top and bottom, both radius, no?
Yes.
They'll give both the radius, yes. And if they won't give volume, they will give, by that you can find any radius also. See, the same thing is here. So this is the frustum part. So no need to remember this.
Sir, then cylinder also have R1 and R2.
Cylinder, where cylinder is two types. Cylinder is only that only, no.
Sir,
Both,
up one
both,
circle.
what both R1 R2 means same will be there. No, why to take two variables different?
Yes, sir. It's a
Frustum
solid
is,
cylinder.
yeah. So cylinder is having both, means radius top and bottom both same, no?
Yes, sir.
So why to write R1 and R2 and capital R small r? Keep it same only.
Oh,
Now see, we are talking about sphere. Area of sphere is like a ball. Area of sphere is like a ball here. This is solid ball. This looks like circle, but this is what? Solid ball, okay? This is a solid ball. So here we are not getting CSA and TSA separately, children. Here we not get CSA and TSA separately, okay? Because there is no curved surface area and total surface area different. From any side, if you see that CSA and TSA will remain the what? Same only. Is it clear? So here total sphere, volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. You remember, children? 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. And surface area of the sphere is, only you see numerator part, 4 pi r cube is there, no? You write 4 pi r square. That's it. Is it clear, children?
sir, it's
4.
a new topic, sir. 4/3 pi r cube, or it's derived from something. Like how it came.
This one.
Yes, sir.
4/3 pi r cube. Let me think. We can do something for this to prove.
Sir, will proofs come in exam?
No, never. Only for your understanding purpose. That's it.
Okay,
Proof
sir.
will not come in the exam. I'm just telling you proving because so that you can remember easily. If you forget also, you can find it out.
We need to, but
Huh? What, Sahil? Sai Charan?
no, sir.
Here, most of
We-
the people are named by S only. Satvik, Sahil, Sai Charan, Sai Ritvik. Everyone is S. So many people are S only. Huh? Here, 4/3 pi r cube height is coming. 1 minute. Pi r square into r. I should check, children, what is actually how
Sir, I
the
think it's related something to the hollow cylinder, sir.
hollow
Means,
cylinder.
yes, sir, its volumes of volume is 1/3 into pi r square. Yes, sir.
But how we
It's
can
pi
find
r.
volume here, man? Here everywhere radius is even same, no? Different, right? Here how this related to this cylinder? This is circle only. But small circle, again big circle, again big circle, again big circle, again big circle. It's become like this, no, solid sphere, right? So
Yes,
this is
sir.
not related to cylinder is different. This is completely different.
Yes.
Cylinder means everywhere circle is there. One circle came, no. So every
Sir, I
time,
think he
every
gave just to remember, sir. This is a formula like that.
so everywhere this circle only will repeat in the cylinder. Here, see, top it's a small one. Again, this is bigger one. Again, this is bigger one. Bigger one. Bigger one. Again, bigger one. Again, bigger. Now a smaller one. A small, small, small. So how to find the volume of this? I need to check. Okay. So I'll come back to this one. So right now, for time being, you just remember that volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. And to find surface area, TSA or CSA, both are same only. You just remember top part, 4 pi r square. Because area is always square only. Now you are thinking that pi r square was coming in cylinder. Here is r cube is coming. Why it's so? Why here r square is coming? Why here r cube is coming? Correct? No. You are
So
thinking in that. Because what?
all the 3 dimensional.
Where this is 2, no, and here is 3. So how become 2-dimensional?
No, sir, I'm telling about this
Children,
sphere.
all of you off the camera, no? All of you have off the camera now. What children? Who is still is there? Sai Charan is taken already. Pulastya Sampath. Who is this boy? Pulastya, you are not turning the camera only. Pulastya not responding also. Why? What happened?
But I thought I responded. I was talking.
Huh?
I was talking.
Okay. Children, here is r square is coming. This is also volume. And here r cube is coming. This is also volume. So why it is coming like this? Here is r square is coming and here r cube is coming. Why is it so? Sriyanvi? This is volume of cylinder. This is volume of sphere. Here r cube is coming. Here r square is coming. Why like this? Do you know anyone?
Sir, it depends upon the number of times the radius is coming.
See, this is like same only, you know. In cylinder, we are having height. But in this one, no, sphere, we are not having height and all. And this also is cube only, see. If both you merge, here is power 2, here power is 1. So including both is coming in meter cube only, right? Suppose radius you are writing 2 meter and height is 3 meter. So how many times meter is coming? 3 times. Understood? Is it clear what I'm saying here? Height also
Sir,
is come.
The height and radius are different, sir.
But your this thing will be same, no, Sahil. So Sai Charan. Your this meter will be there, then meter will come, no. What meter also will get changed?
No, sir.
Then we're talking about only about units. Here volume is also meter cube and here volume is also meter cube. That's it. That I'm just try to make you understand. Understood?
Okay, sir.
The volume of cuboid, cube, whatever it is, everything you see, its unit is meter cube only. LBH, meter, meter, meter. Pi r square h. R square is meter into meter. H is your meter again. Here r cube is coming, so meter cube. So in that
Sir,
way,
then if we give the radius and all the 3 dimensions in centimeters, sir, then it will become.
The centimeter cube.
Yes.
And if
Okay.
something is given centimeter and meter both combination, the try to convert in one dimension only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now next part is, what is volume of hemisphere, children?
Sir,
Huh.
I got disconnected, so I didn't hear what you said, sir.
So by 2.
Okay. Which part till where you heard, Shreyanvi?
Until you called my name, sir.
Acha, I was asking. Acha, I was asking only why this is about unit part. Here pi r square h is coming now. Why here r square is coming? Why r cube is coming? That was asking here.
Oh,
Because in cylinder, radius and height both are there. So we are getting m cube, right? Unit is m cube because radius square is m is meter square and height is also meter. So meter square into meter is meter cube. And in case of sphere, r cube is there means meter cube only. So next is, what is volume of hemisphere? Who will tell me?
Sir, will
Sir,
it be the half of the
by 2.
Divide by 2. Then what will come?
4/6 pi r cube.
Sir, 2 by 3 pi r cube.
Yeah, 4/6 pi r cube. 4 by 3
2 by 3, sir.
divide by 2 you do. So what will come? 4 by 3 into 1 by 2.
4/6.
Yeah, 4/6, or you can say 2 by 3 also, no problem. Anyway, it's fine. 4 by 3 you can say, or you can say what?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. The 2 by 3 after cancellation, that is better. 2 by 3 pi r cube. So what is CSA of this hemisphere? CSA? CSA will be what? What will be CSA? CSA, just see top part, children. 2 pi r square, you just see. 2 pi r square, top part. And for TSA, you just see down part, 3 pi r square. This is the easy way to remember, I'm telling you, children, okay? CSA is top part, you see 2 pi r square. And TSA is what? Down part, you see 3 pi r square. So your hemisphere will come like this, correct? So why it's coming 3 pi r square? Because one more circle is getting added up in this case. Okay, children? One more circle is coming here. This one more circle is coming in case of hemisphere. So one flat surface is there, that is nothing but area of circle. So TSA is CSA plus area of circle. So you get what? Total surface area is equals to 3 pi r square. Is it clear, children? I
Sir, I
hope.
have one.
What you have doubt?
Yes, sir. Means, sir, volume equals to something like CSA into TSA, like that.
Volume is equal to CSA into TSA.
No, sir. Is it like that? In any case.
Volume is equals to CSA. Achha, relation you asking, something you should remember like that.
Yes, sir. Means like addition of CSA.
TSA you can say, TSA you can say, TSA is CSA and plus something, whatever is coming, flat surface is there, no? That will come. Okay, but there's no relation between total volume is equal to
Sir, TS is for flat objects and
everything.
CSF is for curved objects, right?
No. TSA is including both. CSA as well as flat surface, both.
Oh, okay.
Means total surface, no, either it will be flat or your curved, whatever it is, everything together.
Okay, so in CSC, if it's in a sphere, it's regarding the total surface. If it's in a cylinder, it's regarding lateral surface.
No. In cylinder and a sphere, both are curved surface area only. Lateral surface area is cube and cuboid.
Okay, sir.
Lateral is completely flat. Pulastya, you are having any doubt? Pulastya?
No, I'm not having any doubt.
Okay, fine. So Pulastya, tell me, what is the area of 4 walls?
What?
Area of 4 walls. Tell me the answer. Area of 4 walls.
For what? Can you repeat?
Area of 4 walls. Walls.
Walls?
Yeah, area of 4 walls.
I think Yeah, it's just the area of a sphere and multiplied by 4.
Sphere, area of 4 walls, I'm saying walls.
What?
This wall is there, no, in our home. Okay, see, lateral surface area of
Oh,
cuboid, you tell.
wall. Okay, okay. I got confused. For a
Okay.
second. You have to multiply the perimeter by the height.
So what will come? Acha, perimeter by height. Okay, fine. All right. 2 into L plus B into height, correct? Very good. Perimeter into height. Nice. So this everything.
Yes, sir.
What?
We can do it in that method, like perimeter into height.
Yeah, that only answer is there. 2 into L plus B into height. That only formula, no, same formula.
Yes, sir.
So this part is over now, children. So this is the one small, this one is there. All thing we have read here, okay. So this is a brief of all the things. You can go through this starting from starting. It's all are easy only, I think. Correct.
Sir, will there be any hollow sphere or hollow like that?
Hollow sphere, same thing you can do if you want. Total sphere, big sphere volume minus a small sphere volume. That is, you can say if you want to do. But they won't give answer. Means question on based on this. Anyway, you can think, but you can do that hollow sphere and all, no problem. But that is not. So till now, children, anyone having doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, then we'll just do some.
So we can calculate the area of 4 walls by finding one wall into 4.
What area of 4 walls is equal to what?
One wall into 4.
One
Means
wall
area of one wall
into
into
4.
Yes,
One
sir.
wall area into 4.
Yes, sir.
This is applicable only for cube, because all area of the cube is same, right? This is applicable only for cube.
Yes, sir.
Cuboid will be changed, no? Cuboid this will be changed. 2 into L plus B into height. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So now some sites you are asking doubt, no, Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Anyone children having doubt, common doubt, because this concept got cleared from the next class, we'll start the exercise and all. Anyone having doubt, they can ask questions. Let me see. Satvik has sent some, no? Once again, you sent Satvik. You are having a mobile with you right now.
Sir, I have WhatsApp, sir. I'll send.
Okay, send once again. Because I've not saved anyone's number here. Did you send? Satvik?
1 minute, sir.
Nihar, any more doubts are there? Nihar, Sriyanvi, Pulastya, you are having any doubt, Pulastya?
No doubt, sir.
No.
No doubts. It's opened. WhatsApp you got opened. Still uploaded.
Sir, I sent, sir.
That's 9 to the power something you have sent. No. See,
Yes, sir.
question, children, just all of you look into it. Who can solve this? Just tell me. See, question is if A is equals to 9 to the power n plus 1 into 3 to the power minus n by 2 whole to the power minus 2 minus 27 to the power n whole divided by 3 to the power m into 2 and whole to the power 3 is equals to 1 by 729. So we have to do this
Or
question.
could you give us some time?
Yeah, time is there. No, still 7 minutes time is there. All of you children try once who is getting the answer. And you have to answer is, you have to prove that m minus n is equals to 2. You have to prove this one. M minus n is equals to 2. Pulastya, you are solving. Pulastya, you are trying to solve or just watching what I'm doing
I'm
here?
trying to solve. I'm just thinking.
Okay, okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir, over here.
Hmm.
Sir, in this you have got 3 or 2 to the power n plus 3 to the power 2n plus 2 into 3n minus 3 to the power 3n. Sir, in this, can we take the base as common as 3? Or we can't because there's minus sign in the last term in 3.
7 and 1 out, sir.
First two only you can do. Otherwise, you can take means 3 to the
Okay,
power. You
sir.
can add the powers.
Okay.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, here 3 to the power minus 9 by 2 whole power minus 2 into minus 27 to power 9, sir.
Which one, numerator part you're taking or denominator
Yes,
part?
sir, numerator part. Numerator
Din-
part. Yes,
3
sir.
to
There we need to multiply 3 to the power minus 9 by 2 whole power minus 2 with the minus sign, sir.
Where is minus sign is there? There is no minus sign. No. 9 to the power n plus 1. Where is minus sign here?
Minus 9 by 2 whole power minus 2 into minus 27 9 to
Minus
the power
9
9.
by 2. How minus 9 by 2 is coming?
No, sir, not 9 by 2.
What you are saying?
No,
Say,
sir. Means
say slowly, say slowly. Aram se you say. Tell me.
there is 3 to the power minus 9.
Huh?
No, sir. Sorry. Minus n by 2, sir.
Minus n by 2. Okay.
In the numerator part. Whole
Oh.
power minus 2
Huh?
into minus 27 to the power n.
Into minus 27 to the power n.
Sir, means what is that, sir? It's
Not into.
into
Minus is there. No. Where I mean minus into is there. There is no bracket. No.
means it is
If it
after
is
bracket.
if it is bracket like this, then it's multiplication.
Okay.
There is no bracket here now.
Okay.
So 3 to the power 2n plus 2 minus plus n minus 3 to the power 3n. Here this 2 to the power 3 is coming. Now that only I'm having doubt. 2 to the power 3 is coming means 8. So
Sir,
now
and you need to write that minus numerator part as 9 to the power 9 plus 1 into minus 30 to the power 2n.
you do,
Then
man.
I
Sai
took the
Charan.
denominator to the other side. This 3 into 3 to the power m to the
8
other
you can write here. You can say you are saying 8 you can write here.
But I took the whole thing other side.
Acha, okay. But
Sir,
what
and
if
here
Sai Charan, what you can do, you do and tell me, man.
okay.
After this, I don't know what to do.
1 minute. Let me also try here. This much you did. How much I'm doing here right now?
Yes, sir. This much I did. This much I got.
Okay. See, this we can
But then I
take
took 7 to 9 into 3 to the power
3 to the power 3 we into 3 to the power 2 we can write, and minus 3 to the power 3n whole divided by.
Sir, I tried that step. This multiplication step which you just did.
Yeah, now we can this become easier now.
Now we can take it, sir.
What?
This 3 common.
Yeah, now you can take easily. What is there? This is the first part, and this is the second part. You can take it aram se. So 3 to the power 3n is common. So 3 to the power 2 minus 1 whole divided by 3 to the power 3n is equals to m and n. I'm getting down. Upper is n, down is m. No.
Yeah,
This is-
directly you can write 3n minus 3 to the power 3n as minus 30 to the power 2n.
Wait, Sahil, I'm come to you. Sai Charan. So this whole part will get cancelled into 2 to the power
Where
8.
did the 8 go? Oh,
So this will get completely cancelled. So we'll get 3 to the power 3n minus 3m is equals to 729. 1 by 729. 729 can be written as what?
sir,
Seven-
I got it as 3 to
So
the
3 to
power,
the power of 2 whole to the power of 3.
3 to the power
So
6.
3 to the power 6. So now base are equal. Now, so your exponents are also equal. The 3 into n minus m is equals to 3 to the power, sorry, is equal to 6. So n minus m is equal to 2. So what you have to prove? What do you prove here? M minus n is equal to 2. Here I'm getting n minus m is equal to 2. I 3 to the power minus 6 will come here. No, yeah. Here minus 6 will come if it going up. So here minus 2 will come, then you can reverse it. M minus n is equal to 2. So we got what we are doing here.
So once can I go up? I want to see the answer.
What, Sai Satvik?
Sir, can you go once up?
No. That is question only, no man up. Solution is starting from here only
Once I
now.
just want to see once all the steps I have done it right or not.
Hey, steps is not there only, man. That is question. What is hidden over there? See, here solution starts. See, here the solution starts now. Here I've written solution. See, here only solution starts, not up. Now who is having doubt? They can ask now. Shriyanvi, you are having
Thank you.
doubts.
Sir, I got it, sir.
No, sir.
It's clear. You have solved before to me only, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, but now it's full clear, sir.
Not yeah.
So this is interesting question. This was because we got confused. I was seeing this one, no. So having doubt where to take this, where to take this, where to take this. But when I got this common, then I understood this is cancel after doing
Sir, I
only.
had a doubt in that part only that we have to take 3 to the power 3 in common.
What is your doubt? Tell me.
No, sir, I got clarified.
Got clarified. Okay, all right. So if multiplication is there, in between sign is there something, then from this whole part and this thing you can take common. So this whole thing is common, into 1 is nothing but that you can do.
Okay, sir.
So these type of questions if we solve, then only we'll get to know. I was only from first step, I was thinking where this is coming, this how I have to send this one. Because everything is power 3 and this only alone is 2 to the power 3. Then I just keep on solving. I was having patience. I don't know where it will get cut or not. But anyway, after solving it got cut. Okay, children, that's for today. In the next class, we'll start the exercises and hard questions. Okay, based on surface area and volumes.
Yes, sir.
We can stop
Sir,
the.
for linear equations, are there? Can you post some the video links? Or
Yeah, all
any materials?
all what I taught in class and video tips I'm sending right now.
Okay, sir.
Fine, children.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, children. Bye.